It's a beautiful thing. Nature is all around us, and nature may be in your backyard. What's up, guys? It's Cheese Butt Man, and welcome to a series I like to call Nature. See, it's when I hang out outside with anywhere at my house, at my friend's house, at my friend's house, and so on. So, today we're going to do, like I said, it's a new series, and I'm sorry about a golf thing. That I didn't do it. I'm sorry if you guys wanted to see it. I'm sorry. The sliding sucks. Okay, so look at this fabulous haircut. So sexy. Okay, so if you're watching, thank you for watching. And this is called Nature Time. As you see, it's if you're outside and you're in Alabama, if you just walk outside, it looks amazing. If you're outside right now, just tell me about it. And yeah, so this is my buddy.
Not wing a 301. It's not wing a 301.
I don't give a crap. So,
subscribe to both of us, please.
He doesn't have a video. Just saying. So, I'm going to try to get this series uploaded every Wednesday. I'm going to be videoing. So, watch me. Or you will die. I'm joking. Where am I? Okay, so let's get to it. So today we are going to be playing a game, and oh Jesus, I hope.
You gotta catch the football next time.
Okay, I will. Okay. Okay, so you guys sit tight and watch this Odell Beckham style. Watch. I totally caught it.
No.
Totally caught it.
We're losing the ball.
Yeah, I totally caught it, y'all. You know, just saying.
Yeah, they epically fell and got out of hill.
Yeah, I didn't lose the ball. Huh. Oh, okay, you guys. So we're gonna be playing football while I am recording. So we're gonna see how this turns out.
You could put it on the porch or with the chairs.
Okay, I'm gonna try this, y'all. Yo.
Yo. So, I'm gonna post some videos later.
Oh, perfect! Dude, move! Back up!
I'm gonna post some videos of Call of Duty Advanced Warfare and stuff. Now
Look at this shot.
Look at my shirt.
It's probably backwards, but who cares?
Look at my shirt.
Yeah, it's just a to-do list. Okay, let's play some football, yo! Oh, that's perfect. Hang on. If you're wondering why I'm saying it's perfect, because I stuck my camera in a tree, and it's just like balanced.
It's flipping awesome.
Go away. So it's just beast. This is a channel I like to call Nature again, and today we're going to be playing football! Let's go. Watch me catch this. I meant to do that. All right, here we go. Watch this awesome catch. Watch this. He cannot throw. Go get the football. Okay, guys. Okay, so while he's going to be getting the football, hang tight. Well, back. I got the football. You ready for this? Okay. All right, you ready? Ready to see him fail? Watch this. Oh! All right, that's my turn.
Good. I'll first catch up the day.
Oh my God. Okay, watch me catch this ball, yo. Oh! Did you see that? No.
Good. Our second catch of the day.
I still caught it. Oh my God. You guys ready? I'm gonna try something. I call this the backward shot. Okay, here we go. See?
Go!
And whoo!
You suck!
Hey, I'm doing it backwards, yo! Oh!
Good! Our third catch of the day.
Oh! This is awesome!
Okay!
If you're listening to earphones, please tone down. I did not want to give you I don't want to make you deaf. So please tone it down. But I caught it! Oh! You ready? Wait, you ready for this? Let's do this. Oh, he didn't. He didn't catch it. I'm disappointed. You see that? Perfect! Oh my god. If you guys trying to upload video, videos, please stick them in a tree. It's perfect.
If you have, ow!
Quit! Okay, guys, just saying. Get a good camera.
Hey, stop! Alright, stop talking. Let's play some more.
Let's play some football, yo. Okay, guys, you ready for this? You ready? Alright, I'm gonna get behind the camera, and you guys are gonna see a ball flying by. Be watching!
Go!
Did you see the ball? 'Cause I didn't see it.
Maury, stop talking to your camera.
Okay, you guys, we're gonna play football now. Wheel off! Tackle!
No tackle. You ready? Oh! 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 Nice. It's the doozy. Yeah. Oh!
Thank you guys for watching this first edition of Nature Time. Please be looking at part 2 tomorrow. Like I said, I don't have much time to video these. So please watch part 2 tomorrow and see all your Cheese Puff fans later.